Hey, welcome to Matt's Kitchen and Grill. Today we're going to do some homemade French fries. I know you guys love homemade fries, all right? You remember those days where you used to be in your house and you'll cut you up some potatoes, you'll have that pot on the stove with that hot grease ready to roll. Once you got your potatoes cut up, you'll go ahead and slam them on up in that hot grease. And then from there, man, you got the ketchup ready, whatever you got to put on your fries. They're some of the best things in the world, better than McDonald's, better than KFC fries or whatever. Anytime you're cooking fries at home, they're always going to be better than the restaurant fries. So that's what I'm doing right now. I got me a mandolin that I'm cutting out some fries, trying to keep these fries uniform. And I got one potato that I'm using to make me a batch of fries. And as you can see, this mandolin works good. It basically trimmed up, cut up all of the potatoes off, cut me some fries off of that one potato. So the next thing that I'm going to do, I'm putting this in the air fryer for about 5 minutes. I want these to parboil. After 5 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and take these on to the fryer. But right now, before the fryer, I'm going to hit it with some black pepper. You could use whatever seasonings you like, but I like the black pepper, and I'm also going to hit it with this here French fry seasoning. I got this stuff, man, from, what was that? Bitlots. That's where I bought this stuff from, Bitlots. That's some great seasoning. So I'm going to go ahead and mix all this stuff up, then go ahead and hit it in that air fryer for about 5 minutes. And then after I take it out of the air fryer, I'm going to go ahead and take it outside and fry it. Let's go. So I cut these fries up, then I put them in the air fryer for about 5 minutes so they can parboil. Have me some fries to go with these here. These are fries. Like I say, I went and I cut them up, and then I put them in the air fryer for about 5 minutes so they can parboil. And then I just came outside and I fried them up, and this is what we got, y'all. Great fresh French fries, homemade, right here. I used the air fryer to parboil these here fries, and they came out golden and crispy after they was fried. I want to say thank you guys for checking out Matt's Kitchen and Grill. If you enjoyed this here video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment at the bottom. Also, let me know what you think I could do to either better my channel, to, what else can I do to come out with some awesome recipes for you guys. And if you have any type of recipe requests, feel free to post your request down below in the comment section. I want to say love and not hate. Thank you so much for checking out Matt's Kitchen and Grill. Peace.